Rihanna stands by her man. Welcome to Access Hollywood from Universal Studios Hollywood. I'm Mario Lopez, and Rihanna made a big show of support for her partner, A$AP Rocky, appearing with him in court today. Rocky, a.k.a. Raheem Mayers, is facing 2 counts of assault with a firearm, and today, his accuser and former friend, A$AP Relly, a.k.a. Terrell Efron, was back on the stand. A$AP Rocky was all smiles as he arrived at court, met by an increased media presence, the most since trial began, due to rumors Rihanna would attend court today.
How you feeling about court today, A$AP?
Turns out Rihanna was there. She skipped the big arrival scene, instead sneaking in through a private entrance. Trial attorney Misty Marris, who does not represent Rocky or Relly, explains.
When you have a mega celebrity like Rihanna in the courtroom, the court is going to take significant measures, not only for safety concerns, but also to limit disruption of the proceedings. So it's very clear that Rihanna came through a separate and secure entrance. Reports are she's sitting with Rocky's mother and sister, and the media was told not to photograph the galley.
Rihanna and A$AP also showed a united front last night when they hit the town for dinner in L.A.
How you doing, Rihanna? Happy anniversary!
After leaving dinner, Rihanna took the time to roll down her window, signing an album cover for a man who wanted her signature on his hand.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have a daughter.
Did you tattoo her name?
Yes, I did.
Good.
Yeah.
You stick with that one.
Okay.
All right, buddy.
All right.
After he pulled the gun on you, how were you feeling at that point?
In court today, testimony continued from Rocky's former friend and alleged victim, Terrell Efron, a.k.a. A$AP Relly. Yesterday, Relly spoke about what allegedly happened during the incident with Rocky in 2021.
I physically cannot believe there was a gun in my face.
I can hear the frustration in the prosecutor's voice. This is their star witness. The case really hinges on his testimony, and they've spent a tremendous amount of time prepping him to take the stand. There are major inconsistencies in Relly's testimony.
I was mad. I was I can't believe this just happened.
Is the jury really going to believe that Relly was shot at close range with a Glock, and that his takeaway was being mad? What about being fearful for his life? Shaken because he was almost killed? It simply isn't credible, and the jury's going to notice. In fact, the testimony feeds into the defense narrative that Relly knew the gun was a starter pistol and that he fabricated this whole thing, the shell casings, the scrape, for financial gain.
And tomorrow, A$AP Relly will be back on the stand for what's expected to be a fierce cross-examination from Rocky's legal team. We'll see how that plays out. Hoover?